candidate ki bala sha select namta ban lej pule yaka 3 years diploma course in printing, technology and photography for the academic session 2023-24 against the seat reserved by Regional Institute of Printing Technology, Jadavpur, Kolkata for the state of Meghalaya. Te kane na duisin ngana dapat mi tementa kala mi kalis jongi bala sha select namta kane mo. Selected candidate for various courses are direct to report personally to the Additional Director of Higher and Technical Education, Shillong Room number 204 Kenilworth Road, opposite Shillong Public School, Laimkhra, along with all original document on 20 July 2023 from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Take happen late, hapo connect office, hau arpo trik jong July arjar fly for acceptance of seat execution of the undertaking. Selected candidate will not be nominated only after the execution of undertaking in a non-judicial stamp paper of 10 rupees only. Candidate failing to report within the fixed date and time as specified above will automatically lose her right to nomination. Last date for issuing nomination paper will be on 20 July 2023. Candidate are requested to visit website www.maceducation.gov.in. Okay. Namta ki jingte bokap ne phable jaga website maceducation.gov.in. Lagine ki merit list ma namta open category 3 years diploma course in printing technology and photography. Tekane open category Mr. Cake Full Stars Art 77.83% haga branch photography. Then ki waiting list ki don nyongut Gobinandan Rabaha, Miss Iminosh Armarak, Evening Star Langren, Mr. Wante Bokran Tatiang, Miss Badarilin S. Marngar, Mr. Keboy Sontaba, and Mr. Bong Hardyhood E. Sangma. Percentage adap ayang tu aggregate 71, 63, 57, 54, 50, 51. Tena marka don tang shipos shi set tang te yo tang te dalam lej temut lawan nuneu baar. Tahu open kategori dah nama. Tapi jong khasi jancha la yo Master Cake Full Stars Art udah juhi te haban select kan no om lej la ban lega printing ne la ban lega photography gun ba kawai kan long thli tikin yo kini ki waiting list kan teng ne waiting list apok khasi jancha category de Mr. Evening Star Langren 57.50, One Bok 54, Badarilin 50, Keboyson 41. Apok garo category part in your Miss Eminosh Armarak 63.17 aka branch printing technology. The waiting list part Mr. Bong Hardyhood E. Sangma. Kini lada kim wan tekin yo no kini waiting list mo. Teka post kadan betang shipus haka photography but arpus haka printing technology mut one khasa janja and one garo. Stang ini jumtip kulish one.